There's nothing more frustrating than pressing a garment and the transfer doesn't stick. What's worse is when the transfer comes off after your clients receive them. There are many factors that contribute to a successful heat transfer application. First and foremost, make sure that you're following the application instructions provided by your supplier. The recommended time, temperature, and pressure are designed by the manufacturer to give you the best possible application for the fabric. Most transfers only need the initial press and peel, but many of today's more technical transfers require a secondary press time after the carrier is peeled. Adhesives are designed to melt at a certain temperature. If it's not met, you run the risk of the transfer not adhering. Pressure is also a really important part of the equation. Too little pressure and the adhesive won't bond with the fabric, and too much pressure pushes the adhesive all the way through the fabric. It may even push the adhesives out of the sides and leave a halo effect. Always adjust your pressure with the garment in the machine. Remember that the thicker garments can cause the machine to read more pressure. The next thing you want to ask yourself, will the transfer I want to order work on this fabric I'm pressing? Items with nylon, spandex, bamboo, water-resistant or water-repellent coatings may require a specific material in order for your heat transfer process to be successful. Now check and make sure that your heat press is reading the correct temperature. It is possible for a press to be hotter or colder than what's reading on the screen. Lastly, as you get ready to press, be sure you preheat your lower platen for 60 seconds and give your garment a few seconds of preheat as well. This will remove any moisture that may be present in the fabric. So remember, when your transfers aren't sticking, be sure you choose the correct heat transfer material and you're following the manufacturer's application instructions. Keep your heat press clean and check it regularly for accurate temperature readings. If all the right elements are in place, you can find success with every press.